Hey Kids Clubbers, welcome back to another Make It Monday. Today we are hopefully making Father's Day cards. So if you're subscribed to us and registered, then you should have received this pack from us in this week's mail shot. So you're going to need to get yourself some glue, and then all you need are the 4 pieces of card that we sent to you. And this might look a little bit strange to begin with, and these are all different cards that we've cut out for you, but you just fold in half, so it's perforated and it will fold easily in half, and that is the first part of your card already done. So how awesome is that? I'm just going to flatten it just now so that we can do our gluing, and then you'll see that we've sent you 2 D's and an A, and if you place them on here carefully you can see that they actually fit in the gaps, and it turns that piece of funny shaped card into the word Dad. So I strongly suggest that you spend a little bit of time making sure that you've got your letters where you want them to be. Make sure that you've got them in the right place, and then take your glue stick and glue the back and glue them on. I'm going to use my trusty glue pen rather than my stick, but here we go. So I'm just going to add some glue onto the back of each letter. There we go. Plenty of glue. We want it to stick nice and firmly. We don't want it coming off. That is 1 done. And then the letter A. Wow, my neighbours are noisy. Can you hear them outside playing with that squeaky toy? I don't know what it is. Okay, and then we'll pop the A on. It's not quite in the right position, so before it sticks too fast, oh no, it's stuck. Okay, let's lift it off and put it on, that's better. You want to make sure that it's even between the 2 gaps there, so that's the second letter, and then we're going to glue the last letter on. There is the last letter, again checking that it's quite evenly distributed. Make sure you put the lid back on your glue, you don't want it to dry out. I'm just going to turn it over and give it a good press on the other side, and then hey presto, there we have our Father's Day card. It's very simple, and all you need to do is write your message inside, and then you're good to go for Father's Day. I hope you enjoyed that, and I will see you next time on Make It Monday. Bye!